All right, we're gonna go through the sleeve and pant setup. I was asked, you know, what all can you do with it? So here we go. I want to show you what you can do with it. I don't have pal tape on these yet. I just set these up for demo purposes, just to go through the process. But you can do sleeves. And I have a video out there showing the sleeves, the sleeve boards in the bucket. This is a 5 by 18. Then there is a 3.5 by 18. And 3.5 by 18 is basically where you can do U size. You can do toddler and infants on this one. So it's all good. There is, the plate has a arc to it, so nothing gets hung up as you're loading on there. On the 3.5, I use this quite often for that. You do pockets, not a problem doing pockets, and that's came in very, very handy. As far as hoodies go, long sleeve, you can do adult, small, all the way up on the 3.5 before you start hanging up in hardware. So you can actually get your adult smalls all the way up. You have 18-inch print, and you can see, you know, you're going to cover your entire, you know, 20 by 24 screen. Now, if you're using larger 23 by 31 screens, you can put a bigger board on here, and you'll be good to go. And I'll be honest with you, as far as going long sleeve, I do large and extra large all the time, and I can do those in the 5 and the 3.5. But what happens is, what's stopping you from going any smaller, then you start binding up in the hardware. You just don't have the room in just a standard long sleeve t-shirt as you do in a fleece. Fleece has just got a bigger arm. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, large up, not a problem. As far as hoodies, sweatpants go, youth and adult all day long. I do use smalls all the way through adult on these, on the 3.5 by 18s. And I can do youth mediums generally, depends on the fit, on up on this bigger size. And you know, that 18-inch print, you're getting a pretty good portion of leg. So just wanted to walk you through some stuff you can do. And a quick tip is take a piece of tape. You can go around these little your knobs on the side and on the bottom, and that's going to help you get a clean transition on and off. So you're not hanging up on the hardware and, you know, messing up your print. But hopefully that was helpful, and check out other videos, especially the one with the sleeve boards and buckets. Those buckets are really handy. Thanks for watching.